Yeah, I'm just out with the Retevis, and I'm out near the QTH, dog walking. The house is about 3/4 of a mile away, and I'm on DMR, and it's working pretty good at this distance through my Hotspot, which has just got a small antenna. So I'm just checking out the talk group. I've heard India, we've heard some Caribbean, a bit of Europe, so yeah, it's good reception on this particular dog walk.
Frequency, Sugar Mike 7, Lima Queen Oscar from go ahead, my friend.
So yeah, there's one of the beasts, there's the other. Not impressed with the stop.
Lima Quebec Oscar, this is Sierra Papa 3 Tango Alpha Charlie. Yeah, I'm still on the frequency, but we got some QM, so please do repeat.
So that's the QTH. You can see the houses in the distance. Right at the far end behind those houses, there's another set, and that's where I am. That's where the Hotspot's plugged in. So we've got a good reception. Straight line. So I'm going to walk a little bit, see what we can pick up.
Lima Queen Oscar and Lamos, Eric Radio India Killer. Sierra Papa 3 Tango Alpha Charlie, Sugar Mike 7, Lima Queen Oscar, get.
So yeah, quite a handy bit of radio.
Sierra Mike 7 Lima Quebec Oscar. Once again, I got QMs from our station and I didn't get you, but 5-9 to you. Very good modulation, loud and clear. And could you repeat the rapport for me? 5-9 from you. I'm using TYDMD960
so yeah, I'm in the
to Hotspot.
The underground or the undergrowth.
So thank you, 7 and 3 to you and your family. And I'm a QRT.
Interesting to see whether I can get back from this particular location.
Sierra Papa 3 Tango Alpha Charlie, Sugar Mike 7, Lima Queen Oscar. 7-3, all the best, take care, and I hope to hear some other time when you have time to do so.
So yeah, this is just one of the local dog walks, and it's quite a nice little radio. It's a GPS model, and it's the one that I've flashed over the OpenGD77 software, so we can work the satellites on it with the auto tracking and frequency correction, and also analog FM simplex stuff, all the repeaters, 77s, and obviously DMR, as you can hear right now. It's coming through really good. I'm quite impressed with the range of that little hotspot.
So this is Sierra Papa 3 Tango Alpha Charlie. Also nice to meet you, my friend. And you're coming to 5-9 here to Poland. Great to you, my friend.
So yeah, quite a nice view as we look off from this particular spot here in India Oscar 9-3, Charlie and I did with this Retevis. Activity's just quietened down a little minute.
CQ, Alaska, CQ. Sugar Mike 7 Lima Queen Oscar calling Alaska and standing by for any call. Golf 0 Charlie Echo Golf.
So yeah, quite a lot of activity on a Sunday. So continue with this walk as we monitor the DMR frequency, which is on 70 cents by the way. I've got it set up on 70 centimeters, the hotspot.
Radio from business, Golf 0, Charlie Echo Golf. Thank you for coming late to my call. Hope everything is okay there in England. Thank you, Golf 0, Charlie Echo Golf, Sugar Mike 7, Lima Queen Oscar Gap. Golf 0, Charlie Echo Golf. Many thanks for coming back to me. The name is Peter, and yeah, all okay. I do believe here in the UK. I'm pleased to say. We've got a bit of blue sky, but it's beginning to fade. Of course, it gets darker, well as everywhere else in the UK, and this side, it gets round. But many thanks for the contact. That's much appreciated. You're the first one of the day. I've tried, but had no success.
Sierra Lima Whiskey 6 Echo Romeo Yankee, Jakarta, Indonesia. Hello, my friend. Thank you so much for this beautiful question. If you want, we confirm our question in quarantena.com, my friend. Thank you very much.
So yeah, great signal. It's really surprising just how well this hotspot does.
Papa Whiskey Lima, Harry calling you.
So a bit of China coming in now. We've got Indonesia, China, we've got the whole world coming
Bravo
through.
India 6, Papa Whiskey Lima. Bravo India 6, Papa Whiskey Lima. This is VU2 ESB.
So yeah, it's pretty tricky trying to control these two dogs, video and hold this radio all at the same time. But we're managing somehow, and the signal's holding up great from this hotspot, which has surprised me. The range is pretty good. So as I reach a little bit of another high spot on this particular walk, I will give the frequency a quick call, see if we can access the hotspot. So the QTH is around the corner, and I'm still picking up on this Retevis, that hotspot. I'm quite impressed. The signal has dropped down a bit, but we're still getting a good copy from China, which isn't too bad while walking the dog. So a little bit of loss of packet or data, but if I move the right position, no problem.
Argentina and from China. Nice to meet you. Stand by.
So yeah, using the PiStar hotspot. Pushing my luck, try to get in from here, because I'm just a little bit farther out than what I was earlier. But still, I just wanted to keep walking and see what kind of range we've got. So I've got a good 20 minute walk at least from the QTH, maybe a bit more. And we're still getting it in bits and bats. So if I get to the right position, I'll pick it up even better. So that's the VU2 station coming on Talk Group 91 on a Sunday afternoon with M0YKS. Thanks for watching, and yeah, it's a good way to get out, get some exercise. And these radios are pretty cheap, so obviously you don't need to put the OpenGD77 software to work DMR. You just need the ID number and your own hotspot, or get into a repeater. So yeah, as I just about get back down to the lower ground, I'm starting to get the signal back, and it just about concludes this video, of course. Thanks for watching, and this Retevis RT-3S has probably been, if not the best value for money, or one of the best value for money products I've bought with the cheaper end budget radios. So this and the Radtel, unbeatable. So yeah, I use this one for the satellites, and you can't really beat it for that, with the automatic tracking and positioning and frequency correction. It's also great on the 2 meters and 77 bands, like I said earlier. So there's the DMR side. I'll just press the button, take you to the satellite menu, and then we can flick straight into that as quick as that. There's a list of the birds coming up. We'll choose the SR50 one, move on to that, click on that button, that'll be the past position, and then we'll just flick through, and that'll be the frequency, elevation should I say, and the actual azimuth, and then the next one is the auto-correcting frequency. So that's the satellite stuff. Flick it back, go straight down to the digital, take it one more click back, and we're on the analog, normal, straightforward. I like this, the fact that it's got buttons and knobs. We can change frequencies and channels easy like that without having to press things. So yeah, all round good bit of kit. In the hotspot just brings it alive for the digital DMR, which is amazing. So I've just got a small antenna on that hotspot. It's one of the little cheap 40 quid things from AliExpress, and I programmed it up. I've had it for, I wouldn't be surprised if it's going up to a couple of years nearly, or at least 12 months. Yeah, just like 18 months, and absolutely trouble free. Still getting a great signal. Definitely going to call it a day, and next time I'll put a call out when I go for another dog walk. This has just been a quick experiment to achieve the range, see where we're getting in, or where we're hearing it at least. That's only got milliwatts output from the other side, the hotspot. Whoops, the dog's pulling me. And right now I've got 5 watts out from this. So, great signal, coming through great. And that's about it from me, till next time. So as you can see, there is the hotspot, nothing fancy, just plugged in, working on Wi-Fi.